In this video, we will learn how to monetize another YouTube channel with an existing AdSense account. Since we know that you are only allowed to have one AdSense account and you can monetize as many channels as you want. But it is best not to monetize more than 5 channels with one AdSense. Now, once your criteria is complete, that is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the last 365 days, you are eligible to apply for the monetization. You should not have any community guideline strikes as well. The first thing that you need to do is accept the terms and agreements, and this step is mandatory for all. Once the step 1 is done, we will go to the step 2, which is sign up for the AdSense. Now, since we already have an AdSense account, what we will do is select the option yes, I have an existing AdSense account. Click on continue and you will be asked to log into the Google account that is associated with the AdSense. As you can see, my main AdSense account and my main YouTube channel is showing up. Double check the name and address again, and now click on accept association. Once accepted, it will take around 20 seconds more. And now we have linked our YouTube channel successfully to an AdSense account. And now on to the last step, which is the step number 3. Once you proceed to step number 3, Team YouTube will manually check your channel to see if it meets the YouTube Partner Program policies. And if all is okay, you will be accepted into monetization as early as 48 hours. As you can see, we have been accepted. So now click on the Get Started icon. It will take you to the monetization tab. All the videos by default have their monetization disabled, so you need to turn on the ads manually. Now your videos are enabled with the ads. And if you want more, you can also enable the super. But I would like to remind you, you don't really make any money with supers unless you have a very large fan base. So this was the tutorial on how to monetize YouTube channel with an existing AdSense account. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to comment on the video. Thanks for watching.